Let's do some popsicles.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make some.
Alright, so Jeremy and Casey, back to Jenny K Dips. We're gonna show you something nice and fun and gonna save you some money if you like popsicles a lot. Alright? So we already made a smoothie out of this on the other video we did. So we got some left over. You don't want to let it sit too much in the fridge for like a day or two, then it gets old and sour and bad. So we're going to take the rest of this and we're going to make popsicles out of it. So, while she's chugging down her smoothie over there,
Johnny Pops.
let's get this done, yeah.
Ooh, that's good squishy. So, and these last a while too.
Yeah, and they were great. So these containers you can get on Amazon. I think I got them for like $10 for 6 or something like that. We can also get different shapes. You can get a star shape like the blow pop. We can get the 2 cylinders that are stuck together. Those all whatever you want. But just go on Amazon, you can get them on there pretty cheap.
It's much easier to make your own. Cheaper. Well, it's not easier. It's never easier. But
Yeah.
it's always easier just to go buy it. But
Yeah.
it's much cheaper, and you know what's going in it at least.
Yeah. You know the ingredients because you did it.
Exactly. Do-do-do.
Yep.
Hey babe, do you want to take over so I can drink my smoothie?
Sure.
Is that it?
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
I'm a righty.
I'm a lefty.
Not really either, but for this part, I'm a righty. I want to go slow with this because it kind of comes out in a little bit of chunks.
My message
If-
cork back there.
Depending on your mixture, but you don't want to fill them up too much. You want to get it just enough. That's one of
Well,
those
it's
yelpers.
half of. It's like a puppy kind of. It's like
Yeah.
half. It's like Nala, except smaller.
No, it's bigger than that.
Golden doodles. Well, it's a golden retriever mixed with a doodle.
Yeah.
A poodle. A doodle.
With a doodle? What kind of dog is that?
You need to edit that out.
Oh no, that's going in the video. I'm not pulling that out of the video. There's no way.
What kind of dog do you have? I have a doodle.
I got a doodle. It's part German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, and a doodle.
It's part oodle and doodle.
Oh, that must be related to
A poodle.
that must be related to the dodo bird. Yeah, that's probably what it is.
At least it's not a bullshit.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's not getting pulled out of the video. Sorry, sweetie.
It's mixed with a golden retriever.
That's actually gonna be the title of the video.
No, it's not.
Yep.
No, it's not. We're making a smoothie.
How to make a doodle. You're making me spill.
It's mixed with a golden retriever and a doodle.
You're making me spill.
A golden doodle. I'm over here.
Yeah, I know, it's skill. You're very skillful. You can make me spill from across the room.
Good girl, Storm.
Alright. Again, you want to make sure these are leveled off. When you made yours, did you level them off at the very top or leave a little extra?
I leveled them.
Usually, alright.
Well, Yeah.
Because usually you leave a little extra because when it freezes, it expands.
I think I leveled it.
Alright. I'm going to try it this way. It's a little wider. There we go. That works better. That works a lot better.
Smile.
Hi. Smoothie time. Smoothie.
I told you to smile, and that's your smile.
Right. Smoothie time. We're gonna have to get some more popsicle shapes here, sweetie.
Okay, I can grab some more.
Alright. So now we're going to take the covers. Just stick them in there. Make sure they click when you put them in. And like I said, you want to make it a little under the lip, so that way when you put the cover on, when this goes in, it's going to fill it up a little bit. So when this goes in, it's going to raise the level. Not a lot, but it's going to be sometimes enough just to make it overflow a little bit. So you want it just below the lip. Alright. So any little excess spillage you have, you can either rinse it off in the sink or take a paper towel or a washcloth and wipe it off that way. Alright. So now you have your fruit popsicles like you get in the store. A little bit cheaper and a little better, if you ask me.
They're not called Johnny Pops, they're called Mommy Pops.
What she said. Yep. Yeah, then usually when you have these, if you make other ones,
I wish I would have had like a frozen one to show them, but I ate it.
we can do it later.
Yeah.
So Casey told me that when she did it, she actually did it right in front of me. She just grabbed it and pulled it straight out. Didn't even do anything.
Oh yeah, because
She pulled it straight out of the freezer and pulled it right out of the casing.
yeah, you
So-
just kind of have to. What I did was just kind of warm it up with my hands for a little bit on each side.
Yeah.
Like that. You don't even have I didn't even have to run mine underwater though, because you don't want it to get too. I mean, you can to get it to pull out, but
Yeah.
you really don't have to.
Yeah, just run. If you want it quicker, just run this part under hot water. Just the outer edge of it. Don't sit there and do it for like a minute. Just do it for like 5-10 seconds maybe. Just enough to break the freezing from the case.
You kind of just pull it as you hold it. So
Yep.
yeah, and it'll just pull right out.
Yep. Yeah.
So
That's how you do it.
You know when you know.
Come here, sweetie.
What?
Love you.
Love you.
Alright. So yeah, that's J&K's popsicles.
Freeze them so we can eat them.
Hope you enjoy it. We do. They're delicious.
You love them too.
Yeah, those are Walmart pops. They're not Walmart brand, but they're even at Walmart. They're like $1.50 for a bag of 20.
Pineapple. What is it?
Mango.
Pineapple mango, man. $2 popsicles.
Very
I call
good.
them Mexi Pops. I don't know why. They're cheap Mexican popsicles. They're great.
I love you.
Hey. Budget saver Mexican popsicle.
There
It
you
says
go.
right there.
Yep. Yeah, let's see.
You said yo.
Yeah, right here. Budget saver popsicles. These are delicious. These are very delicious as well. Like we said, they're like $2 for a bag of 12 or. Yeah. I love these things.
I just call them Mexi Pops just because of
All right.
the color or the mangoes and stuff.
Throw that in there. So when you put them in the freezer,
Just put them flat.
make sure they're flat and level.
Because this one is not.
Otherwise, they will not freeze properly.
Ta-da!
So store them just like that, and you're fine. And give them a couple hours, and then they should be good.
Yay!
All right. Thank you guys again. Like and subscribe as always. And get a nice little send off here.
Another one we can do too is yogurt treats for the dogs. I made that
Love
one
you.
time for the yogurt peanut butter.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Okay, bye.